What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. As promised, you guys, I'm right here on the next aisle. This is the hair and hygiene aisle. We also have hair accessories, we have scarves, all sorts of things. So let's see if we can find some new items for the week. You guys usually love it when I bring you to this location because this location is really big. It's the biggest store in my area. It's a deep store, it's a wide store, it's a good store. They have tons here. Right away, I'm seeing some new body wash. This is by the brand Lucky Super Soft. It's coconut and shea. We have another one. Now I did see a new one in the location that I call Dollree. I think it was a romantic or sensual titled scent, and I think it was pink. But this is a deodorant body wash in cool water. Lucky for men. And then of course we still have the speed sticks and ladies speed stick scents. We have the Lever 2000 all name brand, Crabtree and Evelyn. This is a conditioner, thicker, fuller hair. You guys know that's name brand and costs a lot more. We have Suave Men Extra Fresh. We also have some dupes to Head and Shoulders. This has to be the oldest body wash that has been carried in Dollar Tree for, I don't know, 8 to 10 years. And in my opinion, I think it's great. It's nice and thick, and it reminds me of Sweet Pea by Bath & Body Works. Plus you get 18 ounces. I love that one. We have Slumber, which are dupes for Bath & Body Works. A lot of 2-in-1s from Power Stick, including the foaming varieties, the 3-in-1s, and the 2-in-1s. And then, of course, lots of VO5, Suave, Strawberry, Coconut, Juicy Apple. We have some sulfate-free varieties. Foaming body wash from Power Stick. We have some hair masks, volumizing hair masks. And another one from Crabtree and Evelyn, calming body wash. We also have a variety of foaming body washes from Arm & Hammer, the Simply Fresh, Clearwater, Orange Blossom, and Juniper Berry. They're all vegan, dye-free, and paraben-free. We have an olive oil body wash and a cocoa butter body wash. Now my husband loves the Body Shop's olive scent that they have. He loves that one. That's his all-time favorite, but those two, they really don't smell the same. The shampoo bars are here. These cost about $4 at Walmart. Old Spice bars, Yardley, limited edition. The scent is Frosted Cranberry. That's the French display. And we have English Lavender. We also have these little ones here that were put out around Christmas time. Activated Charcoal, Shea Buttermilk, Cinnamon Swirl, also limited edition. And we have Oatmeal and Almond. These are brand new this week from Suave. Almond and Shea Butter, deep conditioning masks. 1.5 ounces per packet. We have some other hair masks up here. Even more over here from Freeman. Lots of Softy products. Edge gel, coconut oil, moisture treatments. We have a black castor oil. This is a Jamaican black castor oil. We have even more hair masks. One by the brand Hask, which is really good. We have some bonnets here. Some are plain, some are printed. We even have A couple that are gold foil. This is new for the week, Gently Lavender. However, if you guys have purchased the large bottle, you know that this is the matching scent, but this is actually the actual regular size, not the refill size of the Gently Lavender. We also have coconut water from Suave. Lots of refills for foaming soaps in Ocean Breeze and refreshing scent. Lots of name brand soaps. Peachy Clean from Suave, Vanilla Honey from Dial, the antibacterial soft soap, and then the Sea Minerals and Blue Iris is still here from Soapbox. Let's see what's behind me. We still have the kids all cotton face masks, 5 to a box from Hanes. Those are toddler sizes though. I would say toddler up to maybe 5. Shower curtain liners. Satin pillowcases, if you get them, I think they're great, but just do not put them in the dryer. They start coming apart at the seams. We have some little shopping bags. This is a little messenger sack, like a little crossbody. We also have the little drawstring sacks. These are super little, you guys. They're like super, super tiny and thin. Tons of scarves, all from Juncture. Now these ones aren't from Juncture. These ones are from the brand Pink Accent, and I actually saw these at Dollaree. Look at that price tag, $12.99. $12.99 for a scarf. And then these hair accessories are new. Aw, they all have butterflies. Very, I don't know, these kind of remind me of the 90s, or as people say, Y2K. These are like borderline 90s Y2K fashion. Definitely new for the week. Tons of headbands. Wow, with the pearls, super pretty. Oh, no problem. The scrunchies. We have Scoonsy. We have, I thought I saw some other name brands over here. Oh, Goody, of course. You guys have probably seen those by now. More Goody, more Scoonsy. All the little brushes. But this is definitely a nice find right here. If you need one, again, buy chapstick, moisture tints, and the lip scrubs. Oh my gosh, you guys. This store always has so many Ioni lashes. I'm seeing packaging that I've never even seen before. They have a whole lot of the individual lash extensions in all different varieties. So if you guys are in love with Ioni, definitely head to some of your larger stores. That's probably where you're gonna find the best variety. But hey, if you guys need another Dollar Tree fix, head to my very next video or watch one from yesterday if you want to see even more items that Dollar Tree has, because I'm headed over here to the next aisle and I'm just finding new items everywhere. So definitely join me in the very next video. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.